Do not lean on the train doors.
Next station, Promenade. This train service terminates at HarbourFront Interchange. Change at the next station for the downtown line or train service to Bayfront and Marina Bay. Promenade. This train service terminates at HarbourFront Interchange. Change at this station for the downtown line. If you are traveling to Bayfront or Marina Bay, please proceed to platform B. Promenade. Please mind the platform gap.